और Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
We the people of India.
We the people of India.
Having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. And to secure to all its citizens. Justice. Social.
Kakenhon jengi Muktiar. Jong kaying bishar bakle do kari kata ka Supreme Court glami banyalum patpan Pule ka Preamble jong ka Constitution jong kari. Kabrisi benta naka Safe Democracy, Safe Constitution campaign. Nakabantaban Kyrshan ni Samla Pule kiba pelong ni kajing ki hajantan mantar. Layalami ni kakenhon jengi Muktiar naka Senior Advocate ka Indira Jaising. Bad u Dr. S. Muralidhar. Hakajingilum ki Muktiar laidon lang Presiden ng Supreme Court Bar Association o Senior Advocate Vikas Singh. Nalor kiwipat ki Senior Advocate bagi dekat ng Bar Association. Hakan ni kajingilum kibabuon ki Muktiar kibarang tama hakakam kilawan banyak sno aktilang bad kilara hakti yakalama jongkari. Bad komjuru yak Constitution jongkari. Kani kadi kajingeki ban pensngoy kanong rem jong kabishar hong kajingirang katlang bad kajing burom.
Constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. And to secure to all its citizens. Justice. Social. Economic. Political. Liberty. Of thought. Expression. Belief. Faith. And worship. Equality. Of status and opportunity. And to promote among them all. Fraternity. Assuring the dignity. Of the individual. And the unity. And integrity. India, that is Bharat. I think national anthem is called for now. Yes. Our singer, come here. He's our singer.
अपना थोड़ा पीछे हो जा अभ्यास
We are all singing the national anthem. Start. We are here to stand on the side of justice. We are here to demand justice for the students. We are not here to agitate for ourselves. This is not about ourselves. This is the right of students and the duty of lawyers to stand here before the Supreme Court and demand justice for them.
मैम जो प्रीएम्बल आप लोगों ने पढ़ा अभी क्या संदेश देना चाह रहे हैं पब्लिक को?
वही फ्रेटर्निटी का
भारत का संविधान जब बनाया गया था
No. It is justice. The role and function of the Supreme Court of India is to dispense justice, which is why we are here in the temple of justice with our demands.
Mornings are always busy.
everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.